Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to turn off audio description on your Windows PC or laptop in a simple and clear way. Step 1. Press Windows key and type Control Panel and press Enter. This is where all Windows system tools and settings are located, and it helps you access the main control options of your PC. Step 2. Once the control panel opens, look for Ease of Access Center and click on it. This section is designed to help users adjust accessibility options like narration and audio descriptions. Step 3. Inside Ease of Access Center, click on Use the computer without a display. This option controls features related to screen readers and audio guidance. Step 4. Now find the option that says Turn on Audio Description. If the box is checked, uncheck it to turn off audio description. This step is important because it disables the extra voice narration. Step 5. After unchecking the option, click on Apply and then click OK. This saves your changes and immediately turns off audio description on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful Windows tutorials.